Guys, Karanj toothbrush, I'm using it after nearly 20 or 30 years, maybe. So, the smell is Karanj, bark is Karanj tree. In Odia, it is called Karanj. I don't know what is in English. And you can brush teeth. You can chew it, soften it, and brush teeth. And the smell, that peculiar smell of this tree is reminded of to me after 30 years. And I bought this another one crunch, and as soon as I bite it just to crush it, I could not bite it, but as soon as I bite it I felt the medicinal property freshness. The smell is same, and the same is same here in leaves also.